What the fuck is this?
It's a leak.
Victory! Victory!
Why the fuck have you got a leak? I was going to do jacket potatoes one day. Do you like jacket potatoes?
Yes, I like.
Do you like it with tuna and cheese?
This is not a good film.
Do you like it with tuna and cheese?
I'm going to try it.
Oh, what I was last night was amazing, was it? Singing about mould.
Yes. Are you filming us cooking?
No.
Are you doing one continuous film?
Yeah.
Fuck.
What's wrong with filming this cooking?
You've got magic.
It's great.
You haven't got pizza good.
I can't pounce on, but I can't pounce. I just got assaulted. Please do not throw an open bread bag at me.
Open bread,
I feel like a war journalist now. I'm just videoing violence. Like, don't hurt me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm here, ducking behind the table, hiding from the world.
We're making macaroni and cheese with
bacon in it.
potato bake.
Potato bake. But we're not having any potatoes.
No.
Explain yourself. There's no potatoes. There's not a potato bake without potatoes, is it?
It is, however, a white cream cheese.
What?
You said to me,
What?
Phil, you're from Newport.
I didn't say that. I didn't say that. Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. I'm filming this, by the way. I can send this into the police.
You go to the police.
Please stop touching me, Phil.
I'm not touching you, Joe.
After all the things everyone said to me, I think I'm allowed to say that.
I'm not from Newport though.
Okay.
Look at the rules. Come here.
I'm also not a homosexual gremlin, but it still doesn't stop people from fucking saying it.
Many films. Oh, that's good.
That's been there for like 6 months. That's not good.
It's just past 5.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah.
Mealtime is so tidy and clean. It's unreal.
What?
Mealtime is so tidy and clean. I just realised how disgusting our kitchen is. I haven't done the surfaces and like, you know when that girl moves in, I think we're going to start cleaning up. Also, what, because she's a woman?
That's basically the logic, apparently.
My landlord did something.
Landlord just went, basically one in a fucking place.
End of a video, not fucking start of a video.
I don't know what to say to you.